In this video, I will show you how to fix YouTube not loading in Google Chrome. Let's get started. First, I go to the address bar at the top, type in YouTube, and press enter. From the search results, I click on the YouTube link to open the website. Once the page loads, a prompt appears asking to show notifications, so I click allow. If YouTube is having trouble loading properly, the first step is to clear your browsing data. To do this, I click on the three vertical dots in the top right corner of Chrome. From the drop-down menu, I select Delete Browsing Data. This opens the privacy and security settings along with a pop-up window. I check that the time range is set to all time, keep the browsing history, cookies, cached images, download history, and site settings selected, and then click the blue Delete Data button. A quick message appears at the bottom left confirming that the data has been deleted. Next, extensions like VPNs can sometimes prevent pages from loading. On the left menu of the settings page, I scroll down and click on Extensions. This opens a new tab displaying my installed extensions, including NordVPN. I find the active blue toggle switch in the bottom right corner of the extension card and click it to turn it off. Once the extension is disabled, I close the Extensions tab and return to the main settings page. On the left sidebar, I click on System. Under System Settings, I locate the option that reads Use Graphics Acceleration when available. The blue switch shows that it is currently active, so I click the toggle to turn graphics acceleration off. A relaunch button appears right next to the toggle. I click Relaunch to restart the browser. Chrome automatically closes and reopens with your refreshed settings applied. Now you can head back to YouTube, and the page should load quickly and correctly. If you found this walkthrough helpful, please consider liking the video and subscribing for more quick tips and tutorials.